Today my topic is like there are some fundamentals of Makefile, and then I will use a real life example of using this Makefile. So, and we also check system compatibility. Okay, so and how to create a library using Makefile, and how to create executable using terminal and run it. Okay, so let's get this started. So first of all, uh, I'll just uh, show you the examples like here. Okay, this is my file explorer, and inside workflow tutorial here, uh, here I have this software, this project actually. So here in this project, as you can see, there's a makefile, and this makefile is for 32-bit. As you can see, this measured here in the C flux. This is AM32. That means it is used for 32-bit system. Okay, so we will see both for 32-bit and 64-bit systems. Okay, and this makefile is for 64-bit. So here, as you can see, this is M64. M64. Okay, so 64-bit machine. And also we have a tester file for driver code for run the project. This is the test code. Yeah, yeah, this is. So we will use this uh, program to test our software. Okay, and this is the files and folders where our entire project. Okay, so inside every folder there are too many C codes, and also a makefile for every folder like this one. This makefile is for creating archive for this ACE folder. Okay, so in every folder contains a makefile. So for all the folders, to create a library archive, we use this master makefile. Okay, so how this makefile works, yes, I will see this demo so that it will be easier for you to understand. Here, here, as you can see, we have the our first, as you know, Makefile starts working from the targets. So the default target is the first target, who is here, this lib name. This lib name is a variable what we declare here, as you can see. So this variable, and we assign these folders, lib folder, and inside the lib folder we'll create a library of our modem. So let's make it GAU modem. Okay, so GAU modem lib, and as my system is 64-bit, that's why I'm putting here 64. Okay, you can check your system from this, like just a second, from settings, just a second. Okay, go to, oh, sorry, go to details. Yeah, here as you can see, my system is 64-bit. Okay, yeah, I am using 64-bit OS. That's why I need to create libraries for 64-bit machine. So that's why I put here 64. Yeah, so I'll create makefile for create libraries for 64-bit. So whenever I try to run the system using terminal and using makefile, so you need to write this command here. Okay, in Makefile, first of all you need to navigate to the directory. I'll show you later. So just for showing. After that, it will, as you know, for every what should I say? This is target lib name. So for this target, this is the dependency. What is this? This is lib directories. So whenever we type make in this command prompt, it will start working from here lib name, and it will search for this dependencies. What is this? Is lib directory. So where is this dependency? As you can see, this dependency is another target, and that is explained here. So we need to find this. So what it does, and this target don't have any dependencies, so what it will do, it will just create make and compile, and this add means it targets the directories, it targets the these targets. Okay, here add means these variables, and this variable is here. So second, here this is the lib directories. So it will just, what it will do, as you can see, this make is a command, is a software for Makefile that your system have. So you need to, if you don't have, so you need to download it, and this make will just compile, yeah, compile all of these directories files. So as you can see, we assign all the files from here. Build is build cp. So as you can see, inside this build we have ace, auto, cp, dc. So all those folders will be, or are assigned in this lib directories. So this libdirs will, what it will, this make command will, what it will do, it will just compile all those C files there, and all the make files inside those folders, and make object files. So I'll show you as well. Just a second. Yeah, this one. So after that, it will okay, so after making all the objects, it will come to this line, this as this dependency fulfills, then it will just show this message that echo none. And one more thing, that here we export arcc. As you can see here, what it does here actually, it actually here AR means this AR, this is archiving command, and CC means GCC, this is GNU compiler collection, and C flags is those options that will switch to to GCC compiler. So it will just check all those options and work on that way. And after that is just uh, it will, what it will does, it will just also leave name, as you can see. So after creating those libraries, those object files, it exports. Exports means it, these object files or these make files will be accessible whole to the whole projects. So we can, like, globally, yeah, globally to this project. So that's why we can access the makefile of, just I'm showing, like, here, this is the makefile, main makefile. Okay, these are the, and inside this build folder, and there inside this h folder there are also another makefile for empty project. Okay, as you can see here, this makefile. So to access those makefiles, we need this command, export command. Okay, so after creating object files, it will link all those object files into this lib directories. Okay, and just it will just assign it to where, in this, where inside lib directory there's a modem lib.a in this archive. So here is our archive. Just a second, I'll create it now. Okay, so this, as you can see, this is not here, so we'll create it just using this command. So what we need to do, go to terminal. Okay, we'll just go to here, like, just a second. Mm, okay. It will be easier to understand. So let's so currently I am in home directory. So let's change our directory. So I am in home. So okay. Oh, I need to go to navigate to Makefile. Okay. So cd. Okay. So Makefile tutorial. Okay. So inside this, uh, we run this Makefile. So to run this Makefile, we just type here make. It will, what it will do, just a second, just a second. No Makefile found. Just let me check. Oh, I need to go to the directory actually, because I am not yet. So cd. Okay, okay. So now it will work. Oh, just a second. Oh, I need to go inside the directory cd. Okay. As you can see, okay, okay. So here is our makefile 64. So I will, if I run make here, type make and hit enter, it will run this makefile. Just a second. As you can see, this makefile is done. Okay. So I also just use make clean. Just a second. As you can see, uh, okay, inside this lib folder, there is gaufaxlib.a. Just a second. Let me check it. Okay. Oh, okay. We didn't save it yet, so we need to save it. After that, we need to run it. We will get this archive. Okay. Mm, so for that, let's clear the terminal. I make clean. It will clean all the previous object files, and after that, and those object files are like, as you can see, we have discussed what it will do. Leave clean, it will just clean, just a second, yeah, all the object files, we mentioned it here. Okay, so it will use the make software. Yeah, so it clean and then we run it. As you can see, it takes all the folders and create and make test. Okay, because we run it here. Just a second, it will take a couple of minutes, couple of seconds. Okay. As you can see, this GAU modem lib is created here, right? So yeah, we got this library, and this is 64-bit library, so we'll test it. So how can we test it? So we need to go inside the library, now inside this lib folder. So cd lib, and let's create an executable file like gcc. Oh, we need to use the driver code. So let's copy this driver code from here and paste it here. So we'll use this driver code. Okay, this first of all this clear zcc. Okay, yes, dot c output to, let's, we have to create an exe. Just give it a name, and I will include the library. What is this? Is now model leak.a. Okay. Okay, so our exe is created, right? So let's run it. Oh, it says, oh, we didn't. Okay, as you can see, it's working. Okay, so here I want to mention one more thing, that is sometimes your exe not be executable. So for that you need to type this command and ls la. Okay, so this command will show you do you have that files read write command or executable command. So for this exe, as you can see here, I created this file, so I have the execution command. So if I change this, let's say chmod 666 and exe. After that, if I try to run this exe, I will not be able to. As you can see, it says permission denied. So in that case, what you need to do, just the same command, uh, chmod, and just instead of 6 type 7. Okay, the first one, 7 6s, and hit enter, and now try to run it. Okay. As you can see, it's running, so it's working. So I have showed you for 64-bit system. Yeah, so you can try in your 32-bit system as well. Yeah, for that there's you just need to check this. Okay, is this 32 or 60? Is this 64? That means it will work for 64-bit. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now. And yeah, I have shown how to create libraries and how to run it, and also the basics of Makefile, that how it will work from the start. uh, the default target, what should be its default target. Okay, so that's it. uh, I hope you guys can do it. So thank you.